Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert a link into your email via Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail, and a link that we will be inserting into the email. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's go to the top right corner, click on Gmail, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we will do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Compose, increase the size of the email window. Let's now open up another tab, locate the link that we will be inserting into the email. We will be inserting the Computer Science Videos YouTube channel. Let's now open up this in incognito mode. Let's now go to home, take that link, right click, copy, and then quit incognito mode. Let's now go back into the email, select the recipient, which will be admin@computersciencevideos.com. Choose a subject, which will be email link. Let's now go within the email. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Full stop, new line, and then we can say please see the link below. Let's go to the bottom, click on insert link. The text will be Computer Science Videos, and then we can paste the link, Command V to paste, apply, and here we have that clickable link for your recipient. Let's now say kind regards, Computer Science Videos. We can now click on send. Message has been sent, click on view message. Email link. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the link below, click on this. This will take us directly to the YouTube channel for Computer Science Videos. Kind regards, Computer Science Videos. Let's now quit Google Chrome. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.